Hi, welcome to Garden Hauling. Thanks for joining me today. So today I am going to start a cut flower garden. I am so excited because I love flowers, and I am going to plant some dahlia tubers that I ordered months ago from Eden Brothers, and they came and I just had them sitting in the bag. And now that the weather is nice, I am going to plant them in my cut flower garden. Now this is the first time I've ever had a cut flower garden. All I know is that I love flowers. It's just so nice to have beautiful flowers around you, not just in the garden, but outside in your, but not just in your garden, but inside your home. I don't know anything about growing a cut flower garden, so I'm gonna be honest with you, but I know that I love planting vegetables. Now I want to really try to beautify my backyard garden space with some flowers. But I want to show you some of the things that I'm going to plant in this cut flower garden. So I am going to plant Ellen Cress. There's 2 in this bag. Rip City. There's 2 in this bag. The Dinner Plate Happy Mix. There's 5 in this bag. And Tyrell, which there are 2 in this bag. So I don't have pictures of the dahlias that I'm going to plant, but I did find some that are similar in color, and these are so beautiful. Now dahlias love to grow in full sun. They like fertile, well-draining soil. They don't do well in cold weather. If you live in zone 8 or over, you can leave them out during the winter. If not, you will have to bring them in before your first hard frost. Now they do get big, so you will have to stake them. So this is going to be my new cut flower garden area. Right here, I got to put an end piece here, and I just have to get my saw out so that I can cut one of these landscape timbers and put my final edging here and add another height to that one there. That's going to be an easy fix. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what my area looked like. It's right next to my neighbor's house here and my neighbor's fence, so it shouldn't be a problem. This area gets plenty of sun, so I feel pretty sure that this would be a great place to start my cut flower garden. So I wanted to show you the dahlia, and this one is a Rip City tuber. So in order for your dahlia to be productive, you have to have 3 parts to it. You have to have the body of the dahlia, which is right here. It stores all the nutrients in there. And then, of course, the body has to have a neck, and that's the neck right there. And then it has to have a growth point, which is right there. It's already sprouting. So this dahlia has everything that it needs to grow. So now I'm going to get started planting my tubers, and this is going to be fun. done. I planted all my dahlias, all 11 of them, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.